The Indian Constitution. Can you speak after me? The Indian Constitution. Do you know what is the meaning of Constitution? Anybody else? Can you please tell me?
It is a book of rules and regulations.
It is a
Book of rules and regulations.
yes. So in simple words we can say that what is a constitution? So constitution is a book of rules and regulations. Okay, so in simple language we can say that constitution is a book of rules and the regulations. If we want to give the proper definition of it, then how can you explain it? If anybody wants you to explain it in a proper way, then how will you explain it? Yes, bache, last one. Please.
A country government on basis of the some rules and principles. This determines the structure of the government.
Yes.
Parliament.
So the constitution determines the structure of the government, and it also determine certain rules or set of rules which are followed by its citizens. Okay, so we can say that constitution determines the structure of the government, and it also determines the certain set of rules which are followed by its citizens. Okay, whatever written in the constitution, then we need to follow it. Okay, if we will not follow, then what will happen? Can you please tell me? Punishment. Okay, so we can say that the constitution plays a vital role. Constitution plays a vital role in our lives. Okay, so it's a very important. Can you please tell me why it is important? Another factors. Which are the points that you can explain the importance of the constitution? Why it is important? Why we should follow the rules and regulations? Why we need it?
To maintain
law and order in the country.
Yes, to maintain peace in the country. So the first point, to maintain peace in the country. Any other point? Can you please explain?
to maintain law and order.
Yes, to maintain law and order. Anybody else? Any other point?
It tells the power of people.
Yes. So it tells us the power of common people. Anything else? It also tells us how our country governed. Okay? It also tells us how our country governs. determines the powers of government. It also determines the powers of government. Why they determines? So that it cannot misuse its authority. Okay, so the last point is very important. It also determines the determines the rights of citizens. Okay. So these are the few points which are very important and which plays a vital role in our daily lives. So you need to revise it again, okay, and I'll again listen it from you, these main points. Okay, if anybody asks from you what are the Indian Constitution, we have already explained, and what is the importance of it. Okay, it's the importance of the Constitution. This is all from today's concept. Thanks and have a nice day.